Hey, are you looking for a good quality smartwatch for under $50 from AliExpress? I have fixed the smartwatches of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the smartwatches, Lemfo G33 Smartwatch. Lemfo G33 looks and sounds like a smartwatch, but it is really a fitness tracker in disguise. Instead, you get activity and sleep tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, and GPS. It is well suited for outdoor exercise, thanks to its scratch-resistant case and sport modes like trail runs and climbs. It is a solid choice if you want the functionality of a fitness tracker in the style of a smartwatch. Recently, this smartwatch price is $24.19. It has 1.3-inch 240 by 240 HD color screen can let you clearly see the screen in any area. Whether you are under bright sunshine or in a dark room, Lemfo can receive GPS satellite signal. The deviation is less than 3 meters. The watch not only can show your optimal speed and average speed, but also can show you the maximum pace rate and average pace. Its IP67 waterproof and sweat-proof design enables you to do any sports including swimming without taking it off. Do not press the button underwater, do not flushing hot water. It is built in 220 to 300 mAh powerful charging battery. 2 hours charging and GPS can be used continuously for 8 days. 15 days standby mode and 30 days power-saving mode. There are 7 different running modes available in Lemfo by Humanized and Technological. They are freestyle, distance mode, duration mode, energy mode, fat burning, endurance. Make the most of each workout. Lemfo will alert if you reach maximum and minimum heart rate when you exercise. It not only can play an optimal exercise performance but also can ensure safety. Help you explore your own exercise pace, while optimal guarantee exercise performance. 8 kinds of sports you can choose: running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, swimming, basketball, badminton, football, skating, tennis, etc. It can recognize sports types of running and ball games automatically. Record real-time heart rate, exercise duration, distance automatically. While Bluetooth connecting, if there is an incoming call, it would show the caller ID. Almost notification of apps could be synchronized to the watch. In at number 4, the smartwatches, new Sanlepis HS6620 smartwatch. Already this smartwatch price is $28.99. This watch has a multifunction mode like weather, date, luminous dial, walking steps, walking distance, burned calories, alarm, stopwatch function, remote camera, offers you to take photos in every place. The call and message icon keeps flickering and makes a notification tune to remind. The messages including SMS, Facebook, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. This smartwatch built in 230 to 300 mAh high-capacity powerful watch. More than 128 MB RAM and ROM. 30-hour sports scene, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, 100-hour general scene. In this digital sport watch, you also found it. Sport data record, records walking steps, walking distance, burned calories consumption, to help you understand the benefit of the sport in real time. This watch will detect your sleep automatically at night and analyze your sleep quality with deep sleep, light sleep. Its metal surface and the soft watch strap is comfortable to wear. Unique waterproof design, good for outdoor activity. IP67 waterproof just for daily use, washing hands, take a bath, swimming, but not for diving. But don't press any buttons when swimming or take a hot bath. It keeps track of the phases of light, depth, and sleep. Get a better understanding of the quality of your sleep, get useful information on each night, and set a sleep schedule with reminders. Before going to work actively towards a consistent routine. This smartwatch features a strong 4.2 Bluetooth version. You will easily hook up with await real-time movement data and share the sports data instantly to social media networks. The app supports iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4 or above. In at number 3, the smartwatches, Sanlepis, MTK252C, ECG Smartwatch. Sanlepis, a stylish GPS sports watch that not only represents a stylish attitude but also monitors your health and movement at all times. It is a very cost-effective sports watch, with built-in GPS, and multiple running exercise modes for choice. Have such a watch, ignite your passion for exercise. Now, this smartwatch prices $39.99. It has a 1.3-inch 360 by 360 high-resolution round full touchscreen, makes the displayed content more vivid and beautiful. Bigger screen, fit the width of the wrist, bring a pleasant feeling of wearing. It can accurately monitor pulses and the active and resting heart rate changes to generate a professional heart rate report. Support blood pressure monitor and blood oxygen monitor. Enter into monitoring for sleep interface and click start and then put onto hand to sleep. The pedometer will monitor the user's sleep quality through oscillation amplitude and duration of sleep. It has an IP68 waterproof system. It can easily deal with daily waterproofing. It cannot swim or contact with hot water and fit for a normal cold water environment. This watch has a 300 mAh battery. 5 days for common use, 15 days long standby time. Battery life and charge cycles vary with use, settings, and other factors. Actual results will vary. 7 sports modes are supported. Record your workout moment. It has multi-sports modes like running, walking, basketball, football, badminton, skipping, cycling mode. The real-time status of the weather can be synchronized via Bluetooth. Bluetooth push notifications. Leave your phone in your pocket and view notifications on your wrist. You can set an alarm to remind. Customize the face of your smartwatch to fit your needs. In at second place, the watches, Herall Smartwatch. Herall is a multifunction sports smartwatch. 1.3-inch square screen gives you a better user experience and you could adjust the screen brightness in the watch. It supports various sport mode monitors, continuous real-time heart rate monitoring, makes you a better understanding of their own health. More than 128 megabytes RAM and ROM. About 5 to 7 days battery life, built-in 560 mAh battery capacity makes a proper combination. Already this watch prices $43.98. This watch has a 1.3-inch touchscreen smartwatch. IP67 waterproof rating. It is completely waterproof when washing your hands or getting caught in the rain. Ultra-long battery life with 25 days of standby time. It is the perfect companion, keep you organized and productive all day. This smartwatch is an all-in-one combination. Pedometer, calorie counter, health tracker, sedentary remind, remote photos, music control, call reminder, alarm clock, anti-lost remind, weather forecast, notification push for email, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. This smartwatch has a personal health tracker system. Built-in latest optical sensors. Track real-time heart rate effectively, blood pressure and blood oxygen levels, intelligent sleep monitoring, helping you adjust yourself for a healthier lifestyle. By its all-day activity tracking. Bluetooth running GPS fitness tracker accurately record all-day activities like steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes. Special sport modes for walking, running, cycling, football, basketball, badminton, skipping. You can easily connect to the phone. Download the app, connect via Bluetooth, watch real-time movement data, and share the sports data instantly to social media networks. The app supports iOS or higher and Android 5.1 or higher version. In at number 1, the smartwatches, V5 Smartwatch. V5 is the newest addition to award-winning smartwatches. Its technical specifications are astonishing. 1.3-inch LED screen, 240 by 240 HD screen display, GPS, barometer, geomagnetic sensor, heart rate sensor, 2 hours charging time, 3 to 5 days of normal use time, 150 mAh polymer lithium battery, IP67 waterproof rating, etc. V5 is simply an all-around great smartwatch. Recently this watch's price $47.57. It keeps track of the phases of light, depth, and sleep. Get a better understanding of the quality of your sleep. Get useful information on each night and set a sleep schedule with reminders. before going to work actively towards a consistent routine. This watch is made by IP67 waterproof resistant. Protects the watch when you wash your hands, swim, or get rain. Keep track of and share your daily activities and get the motivation to achieve your goals. By its camera, music and remote control system. Tap the screen to change the next song, play music, pause and control the phone's shutter to take pictures from your wrist. Take your pleasure anywhere. This watch has heart rate monitoring system. Use heart rate to better monitor calorie consumption, optimize workouts, and discover health trends that inspire you to move toward your health and fitness goals. GPS connected via the phone for real-time travel statistics. Connect the fitness tracker to your phone. It will vibrate to alert you if your phone receives a phone call, an SMS, and SNS messages. The watch can display real-time air pressure, temperature, altitude, weather, and other data. It is an indispensable sports equipment for outdoor sports. There are a compass, BeiDou, GPS positioning, and direction identification. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.